author. Welcome to Tameron Honda. My name is Julius and I will be your product specialist assisting you on your Ridgeline search. Thank you so much for your interest. We are the largest dealer in the state. I just wanted to show you we do have the RTL-E white with beige here today. Show you a couple cool things about the Ridgeline. Makes the Ridgeline pretty unique. There's two ways you can open that. A dual functioning tailgate. It's just real nice. Look over here. Also with a lockable in-bed trunk, full-size spare, jacket tools included, and in the bottom you can even use that. It doubles as like really like a cooler. It has a drain in the middle. I mean, actually drain on the bottom, and people will fill it up in ice in the fall. And you got an in-bed cooler. Just a lot of nice amenities in this. It comes with satellite navigation. You also have the Honda Sensor Suite, the whole Honda Sensor Suite. Blind spot information, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Just a lot of nice things on this vehicle, like real nice. It's really a vehicle on it. It really is in its own category. It's like a luxury car on a truck front. Give me a call, Arthur. We appreciate so much the opportunity to earn your business. We are the largest dealer in the state. Give me a call, 205-835-7435. Tell me when you want to come down. We set up a VIP appointment to find the Ridgeline that fits you the best. Hopefully it's this one. Give me a call, Julius and Tameron Honda, and we guarantee when you come here, you're going to love the way you treat it.